A little bit of rain last night, but not nearly enough to cause an end to our drought or the ongoing wildfire risk. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Now, the next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center is going to be a widespread swath of rain due into town later Tuesday night, and Wednesday morning. That is the next time frame to get some beneficial rainfall around here. In fact, this may be the most rain in a 24-hour period in 2 months around here. First things first, though, in that first forecast for this Saturday, temperatures on the rebound through the 40s and 50s this morning. As the sun comes up, we'll see that fog begin to scour away, and the breezes will pick up from the north and northwest, with daytime highs in the upper 50s to the low and mid 60s on both sides of the Blue Ridge. About 60 for the valley by 2 p.m., low to mid 60s by 2 o'clock east of the Blue Ridge, and those breezes will begin to subside after sunset, which is now at 5 p.m. Wildfire smoke continues. Now, a northerly wind flow will push most of the smoke to the south, so we can breathe a bit easier across central Virginia and the Shenandoah Valley this weekend. Most of the smoke from the Matts Creek fire in the Jefferson National Forest into northern Bedford County will be mostly confined to Southside Virginia. Radar recap shows, well, as expected, barely enough to dampen our forest beds and landscapes late evening into the pre-dawn hours, especially around midnight. We had that rain push on through, but looking at the Doppler estimate, it only shows areas that received more than 1/10 of an inch of rain. A lot of the area got under 1/10 of an inch of rain, although parts of Albemarle, Charlottesville did pick up about 2/10 of an inch of rain. We could use a whole lot more, right? Radar picture and satellite combined showing us a bit of a clearing trend, a few clouds up in our blue sky as we head into this afternoon, but we're going to have a northerly wind flow as we go into the next few days, keeping us a bit of a cooling trend, especially on Tuesday once that rain arrives. But we are dry this weekend and into at least Monday night. You can see that very dry air, clear conditions across the heartland, but already watching the progress of our next storm system moving into the Golden State of California. This is going to be a coast-to-coast rain and wind maker. Not good for holiday travelers as we head into Thanksgiving week. Here's Monday across the heartland. Widespread rain, severe weather across the Gulf Coast, and it looks like as we head into Wednesday morning, the rain should begin to exit the area, but there will be likely some airport delays. You can get airport delays and current information for select cities on the Storm Team 29 weather app. Rainfall on Tuesday and Wednesday morning. Look at that. Anywhere from 1/2 inch to possibly 2 inches of rain. And our forecast guidance are in good agreement that that's going to occur. And then on Thanksgiving on Thursday, it looks like we're going to see a cooler and drier day with highs mostly in the low to mid 50s. Hey, but 350 degrees in the oven, right? Forecast for today in the low to mid 60s, mostly sunny skies and brisk. For the overnight, starry skies, lows near or below freezing with areas of frost. And your forecast on Sunday, we're back in the low to mid 60s, pleasant sunshine, blue sky. 7-day forecast, good travel weather on Monday in the 50s, rain and cold rain at that Tuesday into Wednesday morning, 60 breezy on Wednesday, 50s and dry Thanksgiving Thursday.